Welcome back to Botanic Designs. I have a Philodendron Shangri over here, and it's here for already a few months. And so now I'm going to get it out of the perlite, and I'm going to put it in decent soil for aroids. I'm going to mix that myself. I'm going to put 1 part of perlite, 1 part of cocoa, and 1 part of regular dirt. Then I'm going to put it in this 4-inch pot from IKEA. I drilled 3 draining holes in it, and I'm going to put in the dirt, and then I'm going to split this one, put back 1, and the other one I'm going to put over here. Let's see. So here we have the cocoa fiber, and I have perlite, and I have regular dirt. So this is already mixed with perlite, and then I'm going to put 1/3 of this amount of cocoa fiber, or half of this amount. I'm going to put half of the amount of cocoa fiber. If you like the video, please don't forget to press like, subscribe and the bell, and you will get an upload every time I upload a new video. We're going to mix it. To fill this up a little bit, and put it over here. Now I need to take this one out. And you can see the roots, also the cord. Look. I'm going to wash off the perlite. Try to wash off the perlite. I'll put it over here with the roots like this, and as we could see, the dirt was over here. I will try to put it in the middle. Better to work with your hands. So I mixed cocoa fiber, 1/3 of regular potting mix, and 1/3 of perlite. Took it out from its original pot for making the cuttings, which was based on perlite, and now this is the result. Here I still have the other one, and I'm going to put that one back for the time being in the perlite. I'm going to put back perlite. When you tick like this on the side and on the bottom, perlite should go in it. I will get some fresh perlite just on top. In order for it to stay, I will make it wet. I'll put some water with fertilizer in it. I will put it back. Put a little bit too much. And we're gonna put the strings in it again. This one will go back to my IKEA greenhouse, and temporarily I will also put the other one in the IKEA greenhouse, and let's see what's going to happen. Should be okay. This one will go to my mother-in-law as a present. She also loves plants, so I think she will be thrilled getting this one. If you like this video, please don't forget to press like, subscribe and the bell, and you will get an update every video that I upload. See you next time.